Good morning everyone, welcome back to host-tune-perform.com. So although we have discussed about the recording part in chapter 5 previously, but there are some key measures which if you follow will help you analyze the recorded script in a better way. So let's go ahead and discuss that. So the first point for optimization is grouping. In grouping, I always put each group into a new transaction controller. You can even select these, but I feel this way using them makes the analysis part more difficult. I am just going and starting the server which is listening on port 8000. So you see that as soon as I started the server there was a request which came. So let's go and hit this request. So this request is from datacnn.com. so I did not issued any request. So how did this come? Oh, another request came. This request is from API segment IO. Okay, so we have already started getting the request, but we are not hitting anything. And why is this happening? Because we are not following the best practices. So the advantage of putting group like this, put each group in one new transaction controller in grouping, was that whenever a new request is triggered, it comes under a new transaction controller. So it becomes easier for you to identify which request is yours and which request is coming by itself. So the requests are coming by itself because it is the purpose of JMeter to record every HTTPS traffic which flows through the interface while the listener is on. And how come it is recording now but it was not recording before? Because to give you the answer to this, I have just opened my web browser. You see that I have 3 news channel tabs open. So the biggest mistake which people do is they keep the tabs open in Firefox or in Chrome whenever they are recording, and there are some background requests which keeps going on. So these tabs are sending in the background requests. I will just go ahead and close all of them. And now I will clear this up. I will clear the recording sampler. So it does not have anything now. And even if we wait for a minute, then also it will not give us any request. So this is the second part of the best practice. Whenever you record it, just make sure that you have not opened any other tabs other than the single this tab. So I will just go ahead and log in. I will name it as login, and I will log in using test user 1. I already have the password and I am hitting the login button. I have logged in. You can see that I have logged in and my request has been saved to login. And all the requests are from. So as we already have this in default, so it has not picked up over here. But all of these requests are from our server. I can see it from the path. CGI bin was here, CGI bin was in the server, CGI bin was in this server. Now I will go ahead and click on flights. So I did a mistake over here. What mistake I did? I should have renamed it, but I do not require to re-record it. I will just rename it over here and I say click on flights. I will just copy it and paste it here. So I have pasted all the 3 names over here. Then after that we will be choosing destination. So I will go to the website and choose the departure city to be London, arrival city to be Paris, departure date to be 2021, let's keep it 21, return date to be 2 days trip. Oh, it is 2 days and a month. 1. So number of passengers I will take as 4 and I will just click continue. So while we were filling up this form, the time which was getting wasted as per the server was think time. Now we have chosen the destination. Next is we will be finding the flight. So I will go by Blue Air 242 and I will click continue. then we are doing the payment. Again I will go over here. So my details have already been filled. I just need to fill my credit card details, which will be this, expiry date, and click on continue. So my flight has been booked over here. So I will just go and see it in itinerary. View itinerary. Just click in itinerary tab. So you will be able to see the already booked tickets. So it has 4 coaches booked for you. You are given your address. Total charges is 408. So everything seems correct. And then last is log out. As you have already done your work, then you will be signing off. So this completes our flow of booking a ticket, and by this you also know the best practices while you record your script.